standings. All right, Emily Jackson taking to the wave. She's your current points leader with over 500 points. Emily having a good run here, hopefully adding to her score and making it hard for anybody to knock her off the podium. She makes it hard to get knocked off the wave with those big, powerful strokes, doing a great job powering back in from behind the pile, going big. Emily Jackson out of Rock Island, Tennessee.
Nice.
You can see her out there representing a red, white, and blue boat. Has a phenomenal ride. She's stoked. We're stoked. Put your hands together for Emily Jackson's third and final ride here at the World Championships 2009. She's hoping to be taking home some gold medal.